Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download and set up MongoDB community server, complete guide step by step clearly. To download MongoDB community server, open your web browser. Navigate to the official MongoDB website. Click on the download section in the top menu. Select community server from the options available. Choose your operating system from the drop-down menu. Select the version you wish to download. Click on the download button. Once the download is complete, locate the installation file on your computer. Double-click the installation file to begin the setup process. Follow the on-screen instructions to proceed with the installation. Choose Complete when prompted to select the installation type. Click Next to continue. You may be asked to select the installation location. If you want to change the destination folder, click Browse and select your preferred location. Once you're satisfied with the installation path, click Next. The setup will then prompt you to install MongoDB as a service. You can choose to run it as a network service or local system account. Select the option that best suits your needs and click Next. In the next window, you'll need to configure the MongoDB server. Choose the default settings and click Next to continue. The installer will now prepare to install MongoDB. This might take a few moments. Once the installation is complete, click Finish to exit the installer. To verify the installation, open a command prompt. Type Mongo and press Enter. If installed correctly, you should see the MongoDB shell prompt. To start using MongoDB, you will need to create a data directory. By default, MongoDB uses C:\data\db as its data directory. If this folder does not exist, create it manually. Now you can start the MongoDB server. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.